Hi all, welcome back. In this series, I will discuss about the alignments in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. I have already prepared a table having some fields region, city, sales in crore and year. You can see some values are at the center, some values are towards the left and some values are towards the right. So I will use the alignment buttons to keep the alignment whatever we wish, like to make the alignment according to our wish. So let's start. Now first there is region column. You can see all the values are towards the middle, towards the center. So if we want to put them in the left side, then we will have to go to home tab, and you can see there is one alignment tab in between. Now if we want to take all the values to the right, they will select the whole column, and we will select this button, which is the align text left. You can see all the after clicking, all these values are moved towards left. Now if I want them towards right, then I will select this button, the right button, then all values will come towards right. And now again I want to move them back towards center, then the middle button, that is center button, I click them and they all came towards center. Similarly, one more example, if I want all the values in the column towards right, I will select the whole column, this button, the first one is left, center, and this one is right, I will select right. Now you can see all the values are towards right. This is for the whole column. Now if I want some particular cells to move towards left, right, I will select those, and now I want these three values to move towards center, I will select on center button, these three will move towards center. And if I want the next four to the right side, I will move the right button, it will move towards right. And if I want the column heading towards the center, then I will select that cell and click on this button, the mid center button, it will move towards center. So this is how we can align the text towards left, right, or center according to our wish. We can select the whole column or some particular values, whatever we need. So that's it. In the next video I will show some more button like these three buttons I will show, like the top align, middle align, and the bottom align. So that's it for today. Thank you.